Hey guys, it's Cam with Tekamo, and we are urgently hiring heavy-duty mechanics in the Vancouver to Kamloops area. We're looking for guys with mining experience, third, fourth year apprentices apply as well if you got experience, even unticketed with experience, welders, millwrights, if you got mining experience, mobile equipment experience, send your resumes in to jobs@TekamoHD.com. Competitive salaries, all the usual stuff, but you get to work with us instead. Maybe get to even work with Big Dick in person. We'd also consider guys that have their own service trucks already, appropriately tooled up. We do have a standard to maintain on these sites, so we can't unfortunately accept every, rust bucket out there. Send us a picture, apply, let us know what you're running, and we'll reach out to you. We look forward to hearing from you.